guys? I'm Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we're doing another throwback Taylor Swift song. This is, I guess maybe a bit more of a recent one. This is from her last album, Reputation, and I am going to be doing a beginner's guitar tutorial of the acoustic version of Delicate by Taylor Swift. So I will have all the timestamps in the description box below for all of the chords, the strumming pattern, the chord progression, and the play along. So check that out if you're interested. So if you want to learn how to play the acoustic version of Delicate by Taylor Swift, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to zoom in here and show you the chords. First is G. Next is A minor. Next is E minor. And last is C. So I'll show you guys the strumming pattern now. It's quite simple. It's all just down strums in the count of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So very simple. You can change it up if you want. You can leave it like that if you want. Add your own unique twist to the strumming pattern, whatever you'd like. But that's just the way that I play it, just all down strums in the count of 8. Alright, so next for the chord progression. The chord progression we're going to follow for this song is G, A minor, E minor, and C. So G, A minor, E minor, and C. So if you put the chord progression and the strumming pattern together, this is what it would sound like. G, A minor, E minor, and C. So now that you know the chords, the strumming pattern, and the chord progression, we can do the play along now. So I'm gonna play the song and I'll have the chords up on the screen so you can play along as well. Feel free, again, at any point to pause the video if you need to learn the chords better or need to learn and get down the strumming pattern better. Just pause the video and learn it. And yeah, let's get into the play along now. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so he must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a drink. Top bar on the east side where you are. Phone lights on my nightstand in the back. Come here, you can meet me in the back. Dark jeans and your Nikes, look at you. All down, never seen that color blue. Just think of the fun things we could do. 'Cause I like you, this would be the best. My reputation's never been worse, so he must like me for me. Yeah, I want you, but can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a drink. Is it cool that I say all that? Is it chill that you're in my head? 'Cause I know that it's delicate, delicate. Is it cool that I say all that? Is it too soon to do this yet? 'Cause I know that it's delicate. Isn't it, isn't it, isn't it? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this tutorial was helpful for all the beginner guitar players out there. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, if you have any suggestions for future Taylor Swift guitar tutorials. I would love to know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.